Hello everyone, this is Osama from Jordan and this is my Ioniq 5. Some people ask me about the integrated dash cam that I have in my Ioniq 5. This feature is only available in South Korea and this car was imported from South Korea and it was made for the South Korean market. So I will take you to a little tour how the system works, how it looks like, and yeah, and maybe dig a little bit in the menu. So if you see, there's a blinking blue light, and this is basically the dash cam that came with the car. Again, this is not an aftermarket option. It's the original owner opted for this option when he purchased the car, and it's only available in South Korea, as mentioned. So basically, it records all events while parked and driving, and it uses that integrated dash cam and also the reverse cam. So there are two feeds, and there's an internal storage. Something really cool about this car, there's no Hyundai logo. I didn't remove it. This is how it looks like in South Korea. So pretty nifty. So we'll go inside the car now and show you the system. So this is the main menu of my Ioniq 5, and you might first notice that the icons are rearranged differently here. This is because I only found out recently that you can actually rearrange the icons the way you want. And that's really cool. You will see here the apps I don't use are pushed to the second page. To do that, you just press any of the icons for 2 seconds, and it will take you to this edit home icons, and from here you can drag and drop or push to the second screen. I find this pretty cool and can even reset. So yeah, that's nice. In case you didn't know about that, now you know. So let's talk more about the dashcam functionality. The built-in cam, this app came with the car. It came from the factory. It was not installed after the fact. As I mentioned, this car was purchased in South Korea, and the original owner opted for it. Before I open the app and show you more, let me show you this cool button here. Now, this shows you that the system is active, is on, is recording, and if you press it once, it will initiate a manual recording, just to make sure that it's recording whatever you want to record. And if you press it once again, I think it turns off after a while. But what's even cooler, that you can press it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and it will start a time-lapse recording. So imagine yourself driving on the countryside, you're enjoying the scenes, and you wish you had a camera with you, you don't want to use your mobile, and you take a really nice time-lapse. That's cool. That's pretty cool. So let me show you the app quickly here. So now, for example, it shows you that it can't record while the app is open. So this light will turn off. Now here we have different categories depending on the kind of the event. So here on while driving, on while parked. And let me show you one of the videos here on while driving. Let's go back. All right, let's see what we have here. Something maybe with driving. And you can play. You can do a full screen. Now you have full screen. You can change from the front view to the back view, and it's synced perfectly. You don't have to rewatch again. So here is the rear view. Here's the front view, and again you can do full screen. And let's say you like this video, you want it. What to do? You can just simply tap here at the USB icon here, and it will ask you to save to the USB device. Yes, and we'll start saving this clip to your USB. Okay, so you might wonder, is it using this port? No, it's using actually a port inside the drawer or the glove box, and here I put a USB to save my recordings. So this USB inside is only dedicated for the built-in cam. So back to the app. Let me show you more. Here, while parked, you can see all the parking events, and you can actually choose what to record from the settings here, and you can change other settings. For example, here you have the driving recording options while driving, or on or while driving, and then you have the parking recording options, and you can even change the sensitivity here for parking and driving. You can control the time lapse. I'm not sure why it's not working now. It was working, but you can change the way the time lapse records. And there's the built-in cam software. You can update it using a USB flash memory, I guess, through the same port from there, or from here, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Also, you can buy a special dongle and use it through Wi-Fi, and then you download the app on your Android or iOS, and you can connect with this system directly. I didn't use that. I didn't have the dongle. Here you can delete all recorded events, or you can reset the cam settings. So basically that's it. That's the system. Again, many people ask me how to add this. I'm not sure it's doable. Maybe if you get the hardware, I guess you need to change the whole unit here, and you need to add the software, and you need to connect all this together. So I'm not sure if that's easy, but some people are trying. I made this video so just to show you how the system works. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.